Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this past weekend I actually went through the trading losses that I've made in my trading career. The losses that I've made in my trading career, and also I looked at the mistakes that I made when I was just starting out as a new trader some 5 years ago. I hope this video can help one or two of you guys who are still encountering problems or still struggling with your trading. So these are the mistakes that I did when I also was starting trading, maybe for some 2 years, 3 years of my trading. I am hoping that this video can help one or two of you guys to avoid the same mistakes that I made. So keep watching and watch the video until the end. If you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss any of our future videos. Like this video. If you find it helpful, like the video and share it with your friends. Maybe they can also learn one or two things from this video. So, number one biggest mistake that I made. I'm going to share six mistakes that I made. Number one biggest mistake that I made was that I'm going to find some magic formula for trading. That took me probably about a year or two trying to find the magic formula for trading. I'm talking about indicator combinations, trading systems, trading robots, and stuff. Like I hunted the internet for the holy grail of trading. In the end, I discovered that there's no such a thing. So what you just need is a simple strategy that you can use to make money in trading. You don't need some spectacular indicators, some spectacular trading system, or anything like that. What you just need to find is an edge that you can exploit. Well, some people trade Fibonacci and they are making a lot of money. Some people trade simple moving average crosses and they are making a lot of money. Some people trade Fibonacci's and they are making tons and tons of money. So you don't need to find putting Fibonacci on top of moving averages, on top of supply and demand, on top of MACD, on top of stochastic, on top of RSI. In the end, your chart is just going to be messy and it's going to confuse you. You are never going to get any profitable from those. So that was the first biggest mistake that I made in trading. There is no holy grail in trading, so don't waste your time looking for that. Second biggest mistake that I made in trading was I focused on winning so much. I focused on winning so much. Now, I would be so excited if I would win trades. I was so obsessed with winning. And what you should do actually should be focusing on developing a process that makes you winners, not focusing on wins. Because if your sole focus in trading is winning, you are going to have problems. When you take losses, you are going to have to take it personally. That's what I did. Because I was so focused on winning, I did not know how to take hits. So I would take things personally because I was so focused on the outcome. I wanted to win. I wanted to win. Well, we all want to make as much money as we can in trading. So that was what I was just focused on and not focusing on the process of trading. So I would take my losses personally because I was focused on winning. That's what that I wanted. So yeah, don't just focus on the wins. Instead, focus on the process. That way, you do not take losses personally. Now, number three mistake that I made was always bringing what I think is a negative mindset to the market. Like I told you, I ended up taking losses personally. So what would I do with that is you end up starting to blame the market. You blame everybody else around you. You blame the environment, you blame the president, you blame the country, you blame the broker, you blame everybody else except what? You, because you are not taking accountability for the losses, because in the first place you are not focusing on the right thing regarding trading. So Don't bring a negative mindset to trading if you want to succeed as a trader. What you want to do is make sure you bring a positive mindset, understand the process, understand that you're going to take hits here and there, understand what you're doing wrong, understand what you're doing correctly, and try and avoid the things that you're doing incorrectly. Mistake number three that I made was actually chasing unrealistic expectations. I mean, I think many traders or many beginning traders are guilty of this, because we go online and we go on Instagram, we go on Twitter, we go on social media, we go everywhere on Telegram. We see our friends, our mentors, they are doubling and they are tripling accounts. Uh, that's good. Trust me, that's cool when if you manage to flip accounts, if you're managing to double accounts, triple accounts, and do all that stuff. But the problem is blowing accounts. Of course, people might be showing you doubling accounts here and there, left, right, and center. But trust me, some they are not showing you the blown accounts, because when you're chasing unrealistic expectations like that, like flipping accounts overnight, flipping accounts in 48 hours, and stuff like that, you are bound to take hits. You are bound to take hits. So don't go down that road. What you want to chase is incremental growth. Your growth curve might not just be spiking up. Your growth curve must be smoothly going up. That's what you want to do when you focus on when you are trading. So don't chase unrealistic expectations in trading. It only leads to more pain and blown accounts. Mistake number five: I couldn't stop trading. Trust me, I couldn't stop trading. When I started trading, I was so obsessed with trading. It almost became an addiction. I think it can be trading. I think trading can actually become an addiction, and many people don't realize it. What am I saying? There was a point where I would be in the market 24 hours a day. I thought that was trading, because that's what we see in the movies. These guys just sitting watching their screens and stuff like that. But when you start actually trading profitably, you realize that you actually don't need to do that. What you just want to do is wait for your opportunities, wait for your setups. If, for example, you trade the way I trade, you already know how I trade. Um, Zone to zone, supply and demand. Some people call it support and resistance and stuff like that. What you just need to do is wait for price to come to your levels. Then you can catch it from there and you can go with it. But back in the day when I started trading, I was all over. I couldn't leave my charts. Trust me, I couldn't stand up and go to the bathroom, because I just wanted to trade, 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 trade. Especially when you take a loss, then you want to revenge the market, which is a big mistake. So know when to stop trading, know when to be trading. Don't be trading with a bad mindset, don't be trade with bad expectations, don't bring negative vibes to the market. You will lose your account. Lastly, the one of the biggest mistakes that I made also that cost me a lot of money was marrying positions, because when I started trading, it was tough to actually cut a losing trade. It was, I know for many traders, it's still a big thing. It's very difficult to cut a losing trade, especially if you were trading using the wrong lot size and suddenly your account is in red and you're praying and hoping that it's going to turn around and you can get out with a little bit something. So you need to understand that you are going to take hits, you are going to make money, you are going to take hits. What you can do is protect yourself. Don't marry losing trades. Don't marry losing trades. Cut it and move on. Forget about it. Cut it off, move on, forget about it. With these few tips, I hope I can help somebody. If I was moving too fast or speaking too fast, you can rewind the video and watch it all over again, and you can take some notes. Hopefully it can help somebody out there. Otherwise, guys, subscribe, like the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.